Good morning from El Nido.
Woo! So yesterday turned out to be absolutely amazing. We had a beautiful day. We saw the most beautiful sunset. It was gorgeous. We had a really awesome dinner as well. And I got woken up at 3 a.m. because they got my phone. So this morning, the worst morning ever happened. I accidentally left my phone in the taxi. When we get back to Manila, we're gonna be able to get my phone. So this vacation overall is gonna turn out to be hopefully really good. So what are we doing today?
We are going to go on an island tour, specifically Tour A with 8 tours. We got a private boat because we just wanted it to be the 2 of us.
There are a whole bunch of companies that do private tours, and they all go to the same locations, but we're using Ape Tours. They're really cool and they're really easy to book with, and we can get an entire private boat for the 2 of us. So we are gonna get an entire boat to ourselves, hop around all day to 4 or 5 different locations. We're gonna go kayaking, we're gonna go snorkeling. It's gonna be amazing. And they're gonna feed us too. It's gonna be super cool. So let's go have an island tour, I guess.
Stay tuned.
Okay, we are on our way.
Our boat is a fiberglass with wood.
All right, this is our boat.
Okay, nice one. Okay, nice one. Big boat.
Okay, so today we are going to, I think, 4 locations. We're going to a beach that's really pretty, and then we're going to a big lagoon where we're gonna actually be going kayaking, and then we're gonna have some food and go to a couple of other beaches. You ready to go?
Yeah.
Let's have a boat adventure.
So right now we are kayaking.
We're in Big Lagoon.
Oh, look at this view. And there's our awesome tour guides. Wow, just look at this view.
So we are in Big Lagoon, and that is one of the main lagoons here in El Nido. It's world famous. It's been in a couple of magazines as like one of the most beautiful lagoons ever, and you'll see why. That's where they do Redbull cliff diving competitions.
Here we go, we're about to crash into a rock. This is just gorgeous.
Okay, so we're done at Big Lagoon. Now we're going to our next destination, which is Secret Lagoon. You ready? We are completely surrounded. It just started raining on us.
I think so. Maybe I can stay and they also like.
3, 2, 1.
we had it to ourselves and it was completely quiet, so it was really awesome.
Yeah.
Lucky.
Yeah, seriously, we've been really lucky.
Oh, this is high tide.
It's made of pineapple. Look at the bird. We can share.
We have in the
crap.
boat grilled pork, Filipino style, chicken adobo. It's our favorite. Yeah.
Oh man.
This one is sauce for grilled pork and fish.
Yeah.
Use it. And also the
Oh,
raw vegetable.
yeah.
We have pineapple and we have pineapple chocolate inside.
Okay.
And we have watermelon, orange, apple swan, parrot bird.
Perfect.
We have soda, water, ensaladang talong. It's eggplant.
What is it? Is it good? Did they do a good job?
50 out of 10. So good.
That's the food, sir.
I'm destroying the bird.
This could be one of the greatest meals that have ever been prepared for me. Everything is so good, and after just a day of swimming, it just hits so hard. And we're like on a beach so far away from all civilization. It's amazing. We're just out here on a beach eating all this food. Babe Tours blew it out of the water so far, but we still have 3 islands to go. Oh,
Look at this cut.
are you ready to go snorkeling?
I'm ready to see some fishies.
Let's do it. That was one of the coolest things I've ever done in my life. I've never seen coral like that before. We saw so many different fish and so much different coral. That was amazing. That was beautiful. I'll never forget that.
Yeah, so much fun.
Anyways, we got one stop left right next to the end of the journey, and we're just gonna hang out on the beach for a little bit. But they let everybody stop off here.
Ready?
Yeah.
Closer.
Oh
my god.
Too far.
Nice.
Up.
Oh, mine. Nice.
Nice.
Over. Nice.
We were playing volleyball, and I think we lost. And then all of a sudden it started pouring rain. So everybody left, and we swam in the ocean, and it is warm. It feels great. But now we are on our way back to the office. Did you have fun?
I had a blast. I'll definitely remember this.
Okay.
Good morning.
Morning.
Today is our last morning in El Nido. We're about to prepare to head to the airport, and we have a long time until our next flight. So what are your thoughts about your first country that's not like, very westernized compared to like Canada and Korean.
The Philippines has been awesome. Everybody here has been super nice. It's definitely a really different environment. I've like never been anywhere near like close to this. The food was great, the people were great. It's really awesome to get into a new environment that you've never been in before and explore. Assuming we get my phone back, I think the vacation will be a pretty resounding success.
I feel very relaxed because I was in so much water yesterday and so much sun that I was completely drained, and I basically slept into a form that I have never slept in. Okay, so we finished our boat tour and we just wanted to come in and dry off because it rained so hard.
Yeah. So our boat actually landed literally right in front of our Airbnb, so we just came in and dried off real quick. I still needed to pay them a little bit of more money, so while I was there, I needed to go to the ATM, but the closest one that was open was all the way in town, and it was still pouring rain. So our tour guide actually offered to drive me in on his motorcycle. So I drove into town on the motorcycle. It was flooding so bad, and I'm just like, never been on a motorcycle before. After we were done paying, we just wanted to get some food, so we went to a nearby place called, I think, Bella Vita, and yeah, we just got some nice pizza and pasta. So right when we got done playing volleyball, it started pouring rain on us, so we went in and we swam in the ocean. It was super warm water, actually. It was warmer to be in the ocean while it was pouring rain on us. And then my GoPro died, and so that was the end of the boat tour.
Anyway, we need to go back to Manila, and then after Manila, go back to Seoul, and then to Seoul to Daejeon. So we still have a lot of traveling left to get back home.
I don't want to leave. I don't want this to end. This has been one of the most amazing experiences ever, but on to new adventures.